Hello, my name is Edgar Fernandez. Going to be demonstrating the final project for this class. Essentially, we had a program and create a social media platform called Book. I decided to use FXML or JavaFX using FXML and scene builders. So we have the usual main launches, got the starting method. It's going to throw us into the control. So these are all the controls that I have. I have a login control, register control, profile control. This is my user class. This contains login information. So the first string would be the user ID. Second one would be the password. I would have a array list of all my friends and an array list of strings of all my posts. I have my first name, last name, and a secret account number that's designated to every user that they can't see. These are all the constructors, getters, setters, pretty basic stuff. FXML loaders, or files, I should say. And I have a file over here that serializes everything. So if you go ahead and run this, you're greeted with the home page or the login page. So it's asking for an ID and password. Let's say you're new, but you try to log in for some reason. Jerry, and I don't know, he types in something, 123 password, invalid user password. Oh, it looks like I gotta create one. I'm just gonna go ahead and change my name and kill. Let's say Mr. Hill is trying to log in or try to create an account using an already existing, which is my user ID. Say 123 password, and there's an error. ID taken. Let's say Hank Hill's a redundant person. He gets assigned user ID Hill 19, and his password is going to be the same thing, Hill 19. And then his password is going to be password or 123 password. Spelled that wrong. So this is the profile page. Pretty basic. All your friends would go here. The clubs and fan pages, or what do you want to call them, go here that you follow. All the users would go here if it would work, and all the pages would go there if that would work. The feed is working. Go ahead and kill. Can create a post. Hello everyone. Too bad no one can see it. And there it is. Let's try it again. Hello world. Why not? And there's another post. I want to go ahead and change this. There's Hank Hill with his new profile picture. Fortunately, I couldn't get the image to get serialized, so closing this would delete the profile picture. But that's essentially my project. Just have all the code right here, all the action events up here. Let's go ahead and check this out. Register clicked, copy all the information. Here's a file. This is where it gets serialized, or it doesn't get serialized here actually. I believe it opens up the file to check if there's any matching users down here, as you can see down here. And right here is where the account number is created, just in case people have the same first and last names. We'd like to identify the users with a hidden code or a hidden ID, I guess. Come down here, the user's actually getting initialized, creating user objects down there. And This is where we serialize the objects and we close out the files and we return back to login. But let's say, like Hank Hill was, he's redundant and wants to take someone else's user ID. It's gonna give you a warning every time until you do it enough times to where it forces you to get a randomized, or not randomized, but gets your last name and a random number at the end of it. Same thing, creates the object, serializes it, and returns to login. Profile, like I said, I tried serializing images, trying to get them to work. Fortunately, it didn't work out. And that's essentially it. Thank you for watching.